Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Daisy.
Today I will show you a fun and easy way to draw a lilac. For watercolor painting I attach the paper to the surface. The paper will stay flat when it gets wet from paint. Together we will draw a fluffy branch of flowers and supplement our creativity with drawing of individual elements of the plant. Watch this clear and visual lesson and you will be able to create your own masterpiece. Just repeat after me and you will succeed. Let's start! Step by step I add colors to the drawing. I let the paint spread randomly on wet paper. When the paint lies down and the paper dries, this will be the first layer of the drawing. Wait until the base for the drawing dries and draw individual flowers. I admire this plant. Blooming lilac looks amazing with these purple flowers. And the aroma of its flowering evokes excellent feelings. Please share this video with a friend as it will aid in the growth of my channel. The human eyes can see many shades of green, but when we're trying to paint realistic greenery with watercolor, it can be a daunting task. Leaves may look flat and unnatural. You can mix the yellow and blue with base green, or use ready-made yellowish and bluish green shades. When drawing a green leaf, change the shades of green along entire outline, so that it looks natural. The first layer covers entire area of the leaf. You should make it as light as the color of the leaf veins. Later, we will add more color around the veins using negative coloring. Please write any comment to this video if you like my drawing. Please share this video with a friend as it will aid in the growth of my channel. When the drawings dry, the colors will become paler, as the paper absorbs water with paint. Subtle details we can depict after the drawing dries a little, and we will continue. blurry background, I draw individual flowers. I want to add details and darken some parts of the picture. Please write any comment to this video if you like my drawing. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you soon on my new tutorials.